been in the 5R group during the time I was with Teacher May. Oh, it was a long time. It was great. It was amazing. It was tremendous. But I never criticized Teacher May. That time I was told by Bill Galang, how would I invited, what is that? The online class with Teacher May because I already stopped studying. Bill Galang message Teacher May that time during pandemic. What he said before, ito po ang ito po ang Zoom meeting ni Teacher May during what is that? Online class. But I did not attend online class. Oh, I did not participate in online class. I say to Bill Galang, the only I participate in Zoom meeting with Carlos Kanahashi and and Roydan Marlang while I was in interview by Ronald Rebena, Asher Santos, Cedric Mariano, and Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Oh, I was attending their Nats Inclusion Philippines Zoom meeting. Oh, last pandemic. But this time, I never participate in the online class with Teacher May. I told to Bill, it's up to you now. Ikaw na ang bahala dyan. That's what I said to him. Because I know you were in class with Teacher May. When is the time I started in class with Teacher May? 2013. Oh, until 2020, I was in 5R group. You know, in the past, I was in 4R group. I was with Teacher Lendel, Teacher Joy. When I was in 3R group, I was I was with Teacher Jessa and also the time I was in 3R group. Teacher Marisa, oh, I remember that. I was in 3R group or Teacher Lendel. Oh, that was the time I was in 3R group. And usually, when I was in the I was in the time in the class with um with with teacher Joy. Oh, you know, for me, like I said before, to those idiot Marcos loyalists such as Ate Dina Guillermo, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. You know, I was offended of this situation is I was read this in comments or in messenger. I sent this in screenshot and then I upload it in my YouTube video. Oh, this is a lesson for Paulo Cruzada and the other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, even Ate Dina Guillermo and Kuya Copio. All of you should stop bashing at Teacher May. Teacher May is anti-Marcos. Teacher May is a pro-Duterte. Oh, when I was promoted in the class of Teacher May, after I left in the 4R group with Teacher Joy, I joined with Teacher May. Oh, in 5R group, I was promoted, me and Ram Lial. Oh, during the time in Christmas party, I want to tell you something, a story. Teacher May has uploaded in YouTube with Christmas party. While while I was alongside with Aris Clemente, Ralph Guevara, Kuya Sam Eranjo, Kuya Kroll Ramirez, and even I was alongside with with everyone. I know I was alongside even Aris Clemente, Aisha, and mostly Kathleen, Apple, Alexis, and Ellie. We're alongside, and I know Teacher Ivy was still a practicumer. Oh, we always dance in Christmas party. Oh, during the time of Halloween, when Yvette posted in Facebook. Teacher May was still there. Oh, I was alongside with Teacher May. Oh, in Halloween party, Ramniel is different costume that he wear. Ralph Guevara and I, we wear mask. Oh, I attended the Halloween party. Alexis, Joshua, or even my other classmates during the time. And during the time in Halloween party, I attend also in the class with Teacher May. I was with Stefan and Joshua when Rafa Soko was still there in Halloween. I attended the Halloween. Oh, and you know, I attended the Halloween 2015 when I attended the time of Christmas party. Teacher May gave me a T-shirt, oh, color red. She gave it to me during in Christmas party. Oh, and during the time in 2016, when I was in Christmas party, oh, when there's Teacher Chin, the friend of Roylan Marlang, and also who else I mentioned? Oh, Teacher Bea, Teacher Lara, or maybe I still remember Teacher uh, Pat, the favorite of Ian Martinez. I was there in CDIFI with class with Teacher May. At least I received a gift from exchange gift from Teacher May, or I just thanks to her. Or it's nothing bad to criticize at her. In 2017, in Valentine's Day party, Teacher May awarded me what is that Prince of the Night. Or and during the masquerade party, because I cannot dance with Apple. A Teacher May said, "You can dance with all the practicum teachers in Valentine's party." It's too late, and I choose with Teacher Pat to dance with her. But Teacher May said it's okay. You should accepted it. Oh, I respect Teacher Pat. Oh, I do not criticize Teacher Pat. Teacher Patricia May De Leon, who's a practicumer in UE, she's not my girlfriend. She is my friend. We are friends also, friends. Like me and Alexis Porcala, we are friends. Oh, during the time on 2018, Teacher May gave me a tumbler when my glass of tumbler was broken. When I realized that the tumbler was still broken in the Bibo tumbler I mentioned, it was broken. But Teacher May gave me a tumbler, the new one. She bought it in Mimiso. I don't know where's the tumbler is. I think the tumbler gave it to Buba or gave it to RM or that bottle of water, the bottle of tumbler that get from Teacher May. I don't know where it is. And I know Teacher May, she's very kind at me. Oh, during the time. And I want to tell the story when I was in the class with Teacher May. Oh, when I realized I was in the class, I want to tell a story anyway, folks. Um, I do not want to criticize Teacher May because she is my former teacher. You know, when I receive a birthday gift, a tumbler, I cakes to Teacher May. This is the lesson to Paulo Cruzada. Do not threaten hostage Teacher May. Do not threaten to hostage her. You know, Paulo Cruzada, as you know, I was trained in Russia as a Russian Spetsnaz. I was trained with Tito Mac. as a special forces. I train counter-terrorism unit to fight against ISIS. Oh, I don't want to let Teacher May to be harmed to hostage by Paulo Cruzada and his ISIS. Oh, yeah, I defeated Paulo Cruzada. Oh, I was trained in Russian Spetsnaz during the time I was with Tito Mac. Oh, when I deploy in Syria, I was helped with the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps with Tomas Grigori Ferrer to fight against ISIS. And I trained there. We trained there, and I trained there in Russian Spetsnaz with Tito Mac. I fight against ISIS. Oh, even in North Caucasus, in Dagestan, even Chechnya, and even I deploy in Syria. Oh, I fight against ISIS. I was a Russian Spetsnaz sniper. I kill ISIS. Oh, that's what I did during the time Paulo Cruzada when I trained in Singaporean army. Uh, I kill all the Jama Islamiyah who were ISIS affiliate. I trained in Singaporean army in special operation forces in 2010 and until during the 2010. Oh, when I joined in the US Marines, in the US Army Delta Force and US Navy SEALs. I was in a war in Afghanistan. I was trained by Anya Suyuki. When I was there in a war in Iraq, I fight against ISIS. Oh, even ISIS in Iraq, I fight against them. Oh, I kill all the ISIS. Oh, I use a close quarter combats. Oh, when I train in Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, and I was recruited by Opal Suchata, Miss World 2025. I train in Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps to fight against ISIS. And I joined the Popular Mobilization Forces in Iraq to fight against ISIS in Mosul. Oh, is this what you like, Paulo Cruzada, to harass Teacher May? To threaten hostage her? Huh? That's not really good, Paulo Cruzada. You know, like me and Tito Mac, we are against terrorism. Even among of my classmates anyway, of CDIFI, even my other friends, oh, Kathleen Canete and Jens Manaid, they are against terrorism. Do not do that to Teacher May. You know, Teacher May is very kind at you, Paulo Cruzada. When the time I remember of Teacher May, I helped Jens Manaid to speak. Oh, I've been I've been started with the best friend with Jens when I was with Teacher May's class. Oh, I start a friendship with Jens. Oh, during the time when I was in closing program CDIFI, there was Teacher Gio, there was Teacher JD, and also Teacher Josa, Teacher Arnel, the friend of Teacher Vincent. Oh, even when there is Teacher Becca, Teacher Jax, and also Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Teacher Lynn or Junilyn Bactad. I still remember her name. Um, you know, Paulo Cruzada. Uh, I was there in the time with Teacher May's class, and Teacher May claims that that Me and Jens, we will start a friendship. Like in, in Toy Story, you remember Tim Allen or Tom Hanks, like who portray as Woody and Buzz. Oh, we always been friendship with Jens. The time. Oh, and Cakes to Teacher May, I start a friendship with Jens. Cakes to Teacher May, I've been start with friendship with Jens since without Ralph Guevara. Oh, Ralph is my first best friend. Oh, Stepan is my second best friend. And Jens is my third best friend. Oh, I always start to be friendship. Like I said before, do not harass Teacher May. I never tell to my mom where is that tumbler that gift from Teacher May. Oh, but I told to my mom it's not really there. Oh, I think the tumbler that gift from Teacher May last 2018 that my mom said to me she gave it to RM or Buba. Oh, but I don't know where it is. Like me, I show my kindness at Teacher May. I never want to harass Teacher May. This is the lesson to the Marcos loyalist, Ate Dina Guillermo, Kuya Copio, Paulo Cusada. Do not harass Teacher May. Respect Teacher May. Because I know that her mother, Helen Tiburcio, that Lola Helen Tiburcio was older than Nanay Adeling. Oh, and Teacher May is also older than Ate Loy. Oh, who was a daughter of Nanay Adeling. Oh, remember that. Not the rest Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada. Rafael was there. I was the time with Teacher May. She's a good friend. She was.